In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and read candlestick charts for a stock on Robinhood.com. Whether you're a beginner investor or just looking to expand your technical analysis skills, this step-by-step guide will help you better understand how stock prices move throughout a given time frame using the candlestick chart style. Let's begin by navigating to Robinhood.com on your browser. Once you've logged into your account, use the search bar to find the stock you're interested in reviewing. This is a crucial first step because the information you're about to see will relate specifically to the stock you select, giving you greater insight into its recent price history. After you've opened the stocks page, look for the chart section. Robinhood presents you with a default chart, which is typically a line graph of the stock's price over time. To access more advanced features, locate and click the Advanced button. This option unlocks additional charting tools and data, providing a more detailed view of price movements. Now, let's examine the chart more closely. In the upper right corner of the chart area, you'll find a button labeled Display. Go ahead and click on this button. A drop-down menu appears with several display modes. Select Candlestick from the list. This action will immediately convert your basic line chart into a candlestick chart, which is widely used among traders for its rich visual representation of price dynamics. At first glance, the candlestick chart might seem overwhelming, but let's break down how to read each candle so you can understand what the data is telling you. Each candlestick on the chart represents a specific time frame, such as a minute and an hour or a day, depending on your chart settings. A green candlestick means that the stock price increased during that specific period. The close price was higher than the open price. On the other hand, a red candlestick indicates that the price decreased. The close price was lower than the open. The thick part of each candlestick is called the body, and it represents the difference between the opening and closing prices within the selected time frame. Extending above and below the body, you'll notice thin lines known as wicks or shadows. These illustrate the highest and lowest prices the stock reached within that candle's time period. To understand how to read the exact open and close prices on a candle, remember this. For a green candle, the top of the body marks the close price and the bottom shows the open price. Conversely, for a red candle, the top of the body is where the stock opened, while the bottom represents the close. By familiarizing yourself with these visual cues, you'll be able to quickly interpret how a stock has moved, spot trends, and potentially make more informed investment decisions. That's how you read candlestick charts on Robinhood.com. Thanks for watching and happy investing.